Hello and welcome to Absolutely Focused Radio on Spotify. I'm your host, Daniel ThaBudd. Today we begin a transformative journey into the reshaping habits and enhancing digital security. So let's get our minds into gear and start this adventure. First on our agenda, cybersecurity and privacy. It's imperative in our tech-driven world to keep your personal data safe. Here are my top 5 tips for a digitally secure lifestyle. 1. Stay updated. Regular software and app updates are key to avoiding cyber threats. 2. Complex passwords. Choose strong passwords and consider a password manager for extra security. 3. Phishing awareness. Stay alert and avoid clicking on unknown links in emails or messages. 4. Secure connections. Always use protected Wi-Fi networks for sensitive online activities. 5. Two-factor authentication. Add the secure layer to your accounts for peace of mind. These steps are simple, but can make a huge difference in safeguarding your digital life. Now let's delve deeper into the concept of habit replacement. This strategy isn't just about breaking bad habits. It's about transforming your life by substituting a negative habit with a positive one. Why adopt habit replacement? Because it's not just a temporary fix. It's a sustainable approach. It helps you maintain a sense of structure while fostering new, healthier routines. Let's break down the steps to implement habit replacement. 1. Identify the habit. This is more than acknowledging what you want to change. It's about understanding the why behind your habits, what triggers them, what feelings or situations leads to these habits. Recognizing these cues is the first step to effective change. 2. Finding a substitute. The goal here is not to just choose a healthier behavior, but to find something that fulfills the same need or provides a similar reward. For example, if stress leads to you snacking unhealthy, consider a healthy snack or stress relief activity, like a quick walk or deep breathing exercises. 3. Gradual implementation. Guess what? You know what they used to say? Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are good habits. The key is to start small, build up gradually. This makes the new habit less daunting and more manageable, increasing the likelihood of it actually sticking. Just saying. 4. Progress tracking. Look, keep a journal or using an app to track your progress is crucial. It's not just about tracking what you do, but also reflecting on how it makes you feel, how it impacts your life. This reflection can be incredible or incredibly motivating. How about that? I'm serious. This reflection can really be incredibly motivating. 5. Reward yourself. Remember to celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Positive reinforcement can do wonders for your motivation and your commitment. Habit replacement is particularly effective for those looking to enhance their lifestyle, whether it's quitting addictions, managing stress, or improving productivity. It's about making a conscious decision every day to choose the healthier option. And over time, the choices become a natural part of your routine. Supporting your journey. Here are 7 apps to encourage positive habit formation. 1. Habitica turns habit building into a game. 2. Headspace, ideal for meditation and mindfulness. 3. MyFitnessPal, keep track of dietary and exercise habits. 4. Forest, help you focus and stay present. 5. Duolingo, make learning languages engaging. 6. Todoist, efficiently organizes tasks and goals. 7. Calm, aids in better sleep and stress management. Each of these apps cater to different aspects of habit formation and can be invaluable to your request for a healthier lifestyle. As we conclude today's episode of Absolutely Focused Radio, remember that changing habits is about consistency and finding what works best for you. Thank you for joining us on Revamping Routines with Daniel ThaBudd. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions on technology and personal growth. Stay safe, focused, and keep evolving. This is Daniel ThaBudd on Absolutely Focused Radio, signing off. Have an amazing day, everyone.
More than just a tune. It's an empowering soundtrack for a structured, fulfilling life. Join the journey towards a better you with